Okay, so I'm driving along and I see the sign for the Hoover Dam. And I know the Hoover Dam is here. I mean, family vacations. And I thought, it's been a minute. Let's stop. So, detour. And had to go through security check. They checked everything out and they gave me a clean bill of health. And then they tell me I have to drive over the dam and park on the other side because I got a great big giant RV. So that's what we're doing. And I thought you might want to see it. So we're going to put you on time lapse. So, on the far corner of the Hoover Dam, the river's really low, but pretty spectacular. I have memories of coming here as a kid. I think we actually walked in the dam, but I can't remember. And from the other side of the dam, I had driven across that giant overpass, Memorial Bridge, the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, and saw people walking on it. And I thought that's where I was going to walk. I didn't realize it would be down here on the actual dam, which is pretty cool. And the backside of the dam. It's huge and massive and impressive considering it's almost 100 years old when they made it in the 1930s. Way up there is where I had to park. Headed back, and then back on the road to Zion.